What's up, everybody? Nick here from bundleIQ. I'm gonna do another tutorial just talking a little bit about how to interact with the Alani chat. And so one of the things that isn't obvious, I think, to a lot of people is the ability to chat with an individual document, multiple documents, or all of your documents. And that's a little bit different than ChatGPT or Claude because you typically only interact with one document on those systems. Whereas with Alani, you can interact with one or more documents simultaneously. So the first thing you need to do is really add data to your platform, which you can do over here on the right-hand side. I'll link that video in another section. But once you have data uploaded, you click Attach Data, click Workspace. And then here you can choose from your data sets. So you can attach a bundle or more, 2 bundles in this case, or 3. Or you can go into the data set and attach 1 file, but you can't do 2 files yet. You can do 1 file at a time. So let's just say that I want to chat with this 1 file. So you can see Jim Cramer cuts through noise, it's a YouTube video. Okay, so now I want to say, so here I'm chatting with a YouTube video, one particular video. And in a second, what I'm going to do is switch over to an entire bundle of data. Okay, so this is that one video. You can see the different sections of the video. All right, so now let me move this out of the way, clear this out, and then I'll click entire bundle, turn that on. Okay, so now you can see chatting with 2024 stock market research. Okay. Okay, so this bundle has tons of documents in it. I think over 150 documents that are, some of which are 400 plus pages. So it's a lot of data. Okay. So it's talking about interest rate hike, potential recession, inflation concerns, geopolitical turmoil, etc. And you can see here where that's coming from. See that? So we can click on that. That's from this article here. And you can actually see where all the data is here, 155 documents. Okay, so that's how you toggle your data from one file to an entire bundle of files and use Alani to chat with that data set. Hopefully that's helpful. And if you have any questions, as always, please email me or the team at hello@bundleiq.com. Thank you.